You gotta go underneath them.
I know.
There we go. That's a double. I just caught one. That's, yeah. Let's worry about her getting it up first. There he is. That might be a. We might have to throw that one back.
Yeah, that was quite short. It's pretty short. Still a pretty healthy fish though. We'll get her back in.
Yep.
Watch out with that.
I'm gonna help. Got another one going. This is a big one. It was already up to the top of the surface. If you need to tighten up that drag.
I got 3-4 pounder.
That's not as big as I thought.
Come on.
All right, stop reeling.
Drop back.
All right.
Yeah, that's a dandy.
Leave the rod up there.
That's the one we're looking for. Oh, hit that red-headed close.
All right.
Damn red-headed.
Another one. Is that this joker? Oh, that's a good one too. Put the net behind it. There you go. That might be the PB for the night.
That might be it. It's a bit bigger.
That's another nice fish there.
Wow.
Do nothing. Just keep biting.
Alright.
Hey, you got a good light. That's a nice fish. Alright, we're gonna call it a night. Now we got about 8 of them, something like that. Use that big old weight to hold the lures down here. You got a 3-way swivel. You have one bait, and then you slide the other bait to another 3-way swivel. That way you fish 2 baits per rod. The wind just picked up. Pretty good night. We'll be back out here soon. Alright, well thanks for watching.